Hello. Hi. So my video didn't record, so I'm just going to do a really quick review of the simple past and the past continuous, and then we're going to talk about how to put them together, and we're going to watch some fun videos to do some practice, okay? All right. So remember, let's do real quick simple past, okay? Simple past. So if we use, let's do an irregular verb. We'll do eat. Okay, so the positive would be I ate. Okay, that's irregular, so I ate. The negative would be I didn't eat. Okay, I didn't eat. And then the question would be, did I or did you eat? Okay, that's simple past. So remember that in simple past, the negative and the question, we know that it's past tense because of this verb. Did is in the past. That's the past of do. Okay, so we know that these are in the past tense, and so you only need it one time. So this, I didn't ate. No, then you have past past. You don't need two. So this is past. So this one can just be eat. Okay? So same here. Did I eat? Not did I ate, because then it would be past past, and you only need one. Okay? So that's simple past. Past continuous. Okay, past continuous. Real quick review. I, and then we use to be, was eating, ing. So you use your to be verb and then ing. Okay, I was eating. The negative, I was not. Okay, you just put not after the to be verb, eating. And if you want to, you can use the contraction, wasn't eating. And then the question, you would say, was I eating? All right, and you use with I, he, she, and it. You use was. With we, you, and they, you're going to use were. That's your to be verb. Okay? So I was eating, we were eating. I was not eating, you were not eating. Was I eating? Were they eating? Okay? So the past continuous has the to be verb and the ing. All right? So you can't forget that. So when you're using past continuous and past simple together, what happens is the past continuous is talking about a verb. It's not finished, right? In the past, it's not just like a quick, it's done. It's something that was in progress in the past, okay? So, let's see. All right, so for example, I was sleeping. So we're not talking about I was sleeping is like I was sleeping from 9 p.m. to 8 a.m., right? I was sleeping. It's something that was happening. It's not like I slept well last night. That's finished, over, it's already done with. No, I was sleeping is like in progress. And usually we use the past continuous when you're telling a story. So if you come up to me and you said, I slept well last night, I'd be like, oh, okay, cool. Like, that's finished, right? You're just saying that you slept well, which is good. Slept is the past of sleep, by the way. But if you came up to me and said, I was sleeping, then I'd be like, ooh, you were sleeping when what? What happened? Okay? So, let's go back to our notes. So, I was sleeping, and then there's some kind of interruption, okay? So, I was sleeping when The phone rang. The phone rang. Okay, so rang is simple past. Okay. Simple past of ring. And was sleeping, obviously, this is past continuous. Okay, so I was sleeping. That's the thing that's taking a long time. And then the phone rang. That's the interruption. So if you're a learner that you like to move when you learn, so you can do this. I was sleeping when the phone rang. That's the interruption, right? And so the interruption is going to be in simple past, and the longer action is in the past continuous. Okay? So
scandals happen all the time. The question is, how do democracies respond to those scandals?
And what will it mean for the wider region? I think one of your children has just walked in. I mean, shifting sands in the region. Do you think relations with the North may change?
I would be surprised if they do. Pardon me. My apologies.
What's this going to mean for the region?
My apologies. South Korea's policy choices on North.
okay. How would you describe what happened in that video? We can use past continuous and then an interruption, right? So we could
Texas
say,
homeowners.
oh, oops.
The government is handing.
Okay, so the dad was giving an interview. The dad was giving an interview when the children interrupted him. Okay, so let's get our picture out. Okay, so the long action.
If you like, we can go together.
Okay, so if you look, the action was the long action. The man was giving an interview, right? The man was giving an interview, and then what was the interruption? So we could say the man was giving an interview when his children came. So simple past, because this is the interruption, came in. So this is the irregular past tense of come. So you can see the longer one was giving an interview. The man was giving an interview when his children came in. So the simple past. Okay, so that's one example of how we can use that. And then I wanted to show you two. So this word when, usually after when you're going to use the simple past. You can also say while. So this is mientras, while the man was giving an interview, comma, his children came in. Okay, so if you use while, then usually after while you're going to have the past continuous. So you can have when or while in the sentence, but not both. So you couldn't say while the man was giving an interview when his children came in. That does not sound correct. So you can have while the man was giving an interview, his children came in, or the man was giving an interview when his children came in. Okay? All right, let's watch another video.
What a beautiful day it is today, isn't it? What a beautiful day it is today, isn't it? What a beautiful day it is today, isn't it?
Okay, so that's a funny video. So that animal is called a red panda. And so the red panda was doing what? Was eating. The red panda was eating when, what's the interruption? We could say the man scared him, or he got scared, okay? So the long action is the red panda was eating, and then the interruption, simple past, is the man scared him. Here, let's write it. So the red panda was eating when, okay, so here's was eating is past continuous, when the man scared him. Sorry, I didn't write that well. S-C-A-R-D. Scared him. Okay? The red panda was eating when the man scared, simple past, him. So, as you're thinking about these, like as you do your worksheets for the week, I want you to be thinking like, what's the long action and then what's the interruption? What's the long action and what's the interruption? Okay? All right. Good luck. If you are still confused, let me know. Send me a text or an email, and I can get you more resources, like more videos, maybe a place that you could like read if that's how you learn. So anyway, I hope you have a good week and that your house has electricity and water. And I will talk to you later. Bye.